Jain everyone. Today I will discuss about the topic FEMA. FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act. It is the India's most important financial law. Its FEMA was come into the force in the year 2000 at a time when India started to open the door to the world. Before FEMA, we had a law called FERA, which was very strict and treated every foreign exchange issues like a criminal. But India started participating more actively in the global trade, welcoming foreign companies and sending the students and professional abroad, and they started to increase good imports. We needed a law that should be more flexible and modern and growth oriented. That's how the FEMA was formed. FEMA was the basic purpose is to manage the how foreign exchange money ins and outs of India, whether it's come from the companies bringing out the investment into the countries or the family sending the money to their child who's are studying in the overseas or the businesses goods imports. All these are activities come under the FEMA. It's act like a traffic control of the foreign exchange and it's ensuring that smoothly, legally, and support the India's economy stability. And FEMA, and it is one of the most important benefits of the FEMA is that it's focused on the civil issue instead of criminal one. If someone make mistake, it's created like civil issue, not a criminal ones. It create the confidence among the individual or investor or businessman. People feel confident to make the participation of the global opportunities. FEMA is also plays a key role in the foreign exchange reserve, which plays an essential role in the global trade and also the value of the Indian rupees. In our daily lives, FEMA affect many activities if we don't know it. When a traveler exchange money or a NRI invest in the properties or a people who receive the salaries from the overseas job. FEMA making it's quietly working on it and making it smooth and safe. In conclusions, FEMA is just not a law. It's a bridge that connect the India with the global and gives the citizens and the businesses to confident to explore opportunities in that world that is becoming more interconnected. FEMA plays a key role, making it ensuring that India move forward with the confident and global